Hi, everyone. My name is Luis Samboy, and today I'd like to talk to you about my app called City Search. And what City Search is the newest and greatest application that's going to help everyone do their searches for any type of information that they need. But not to exaggerate, what it is basically it's a simple website that I decided to create. Because what I wanted to do was to see some of the ways that ChatGPT can be infused inside of web applications. My original intention was to actually try to get local files such as taxes or social security stuff. So that ChatGPT can search my local file, so that anytime anyone asks me, like, what was my gross income in 2018, ChatGPT can find it for me. But what I eventually pivoted to was just trying to go with API information. And it did challenge me. This is one of the most challenging things that I had to do. And so let's just get started. So what City Search is a simple uh, it's a simple web app where one can put in a city and it's going to provide you three suggestions. The first one being real estate. It's going to give you the Zillow Home Value Index. The second one being weather, which is populated by Open Weather API. And the third is going to be ChatGPT. And so ChatGPT or OpenAI specifically actually provides three top places that someone can visit. And so let's start with San Diego, where I'm from. You put in the city, type in search, and it takes a minute. There you go. So now you got Zillow's home value index, the real estate. And so this file is actually currently locally stored. I had to download it from Zillow's website. I tried to get API access, but they said it was commercial use only. The second one is Open Weather's API, which only provides me the current weather, but it's up to date to the minute. And there it is. And then this is the top places to visit. So this is ChatGPT. This changes as it goes. And as you can see here, you could type in pretty much every city. And I still got to work out a kink where oh wow, almost even faster now. And so you could put in San Francisco, in the Zillow Home Value Index. That's really high. And there you go. And current temperature that populates Golden Gate Bridge. Let's try Houston, Texas. Wow, it's hot out there. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes or at least wear some sunscreen. So there you go. Real estate information, weather information, the top places to visit. And the reason that this was one of the most challenging ones was because I dedicated about 50, maybe 60% of the time uh, with this project in trying to train ChatGPT. Well, first I had to learn what it is, and then I had to train ChatGPT. And so what happens in the background is uh, you have to actually do some prompts and you have to show ChatGPT the types of answers that you want. And so you set up these prompts. And so the original data that or the template that they provided was a way for you to name your pet. And so you put in the type of animal that you have, and then it gives you some name suggestions for those pets. And so I basically changed it so that I could put in a city and then it could give you the top places. Now, I intend on using this type of information in the future with other web applications. I mean, it's virtually limitless. The only issue with Open API or OpenAI is that they only have information up to 2021. But I think that with something like this, I mean, especially how quickly it can find, I could basically do anything in there. Um, let's pick an off the wall city, Cleveland. There you go. Oh, how did that get out? Oh, there must be multiple Clevelands. I know there's a Cleveland, Texas, I believe, in the country, so that gets populated. But something like that is a challenge to get fixed. Let's see, Miami. Boom. There is a Miami, Ohio. There we go. But yeah, real fast. This was really good. Let's try one more. Los Angeles. The one and only. There you go. All right. Thank you very much, everyone.